I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market today. Soybeans really tanked. Concerns of increased U.S. stocks because of the slowdown of exports to China has really got everyone worried, and the market made another new low again. It seems that the trade war is really looking like a prolonged problem, and it outweighs the fact that there was a bullish USDA report yesterday, and futures are already at a 10-year low. And China seems to be applying the tariffs officially, and that really is starting to hurt these markets a little bit. Corn also pulled back. The great weather is kind of benefiting all of the row crops, so that includes soybeans as well. So we produce a bumper crop this year that's just going to add to the stocks that we already have. The wetness in the forecast is really helping to bump up the overall crop across the board, and the traders are actually shrugging off in the corn side of the USDA report that there has been a little bit of a reduction in the world supplies, and that should have really given the market a little bit of a pop. And of course, it was strengthened originally, but then started to fall off again. The crop rating has been listed as good to excellent, so that's other things that are kind of helping the markets. And right now, it was off about 6 or 7 cents early, closed down about 4 cents on the corn. So it's not really falling hard, but it still is sinking. Wheat was firmed up. It actually started a little bit lower, and then it's firmed back up. It seemed like that it's triggered some buying, and it got off to a pretty good start and actually surged right at the end of the day. There has been the USDA says that the exports will improve, as well as the fact that there is some production reduction in Russia and in the European Union. So that kind of information has helped the market a little bit, notwithstanding the fact that it's been oversold for quite a while, and we are getting very close to the RSI getting below 30%. And if that strength index gets that low, you would venture to say that there's going to be some bargain hunters trying to step in and give that market a lift. All isn't over yet on the downside. Everything still has downward momentum, but today wheat got a little bit of a reprieve, and maybe it helped soybeans to come back from its actual low. So soybeans were only down in the teens instead of over 20 cents. That's all from the floor at the CME Group. Here in Chicago, I'm Virginia McGathey.